I need 12 people, and you will be running, so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12 people, please.
Hi, Robbie, we need you. Nick, we need you.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Just need me? No, you still need me.
Are you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do you want to do it? Okay. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at conventional versus conceptual learning. So this involves direct and indirect teaching, and it also looks at the idea of planning sessions to cater for all needs of students, and so all needs and abilities. So for my activity, we're going to be focusing on possession. So what can you tell me about concepts that you already know about possession in any game, sporting context?
Passing the ball in between your teammates. And usually you do like so and so many passes.
Yeah.
Score a point.
If you haven't got possession, you can't normally score.
Exactly. What about when we're talking about space? What can you tell me about that in relation to keeping possession?
More space you make,
Sorry?
more space you make, easier to keep possession.
Yeah, and so
You'd have to pass.
yeah. So we'd look at three, probably the most important aspects around possession, and these would be movement on and off the ball. So when I say that, do you guys understand what I mean?
You've got it.
So when you've got it, and when you don't have the ball, so you're moving into space to try and be an option for the person who does have the ball, and moving into space, so when you have the ball, maybe driving into space, and also accurate passing. So those three things we want to try and focus on today. We are going to split you guys up into beginners and advanced. So can I get beginners? So we've got 12, so 6 beginners over in this yellow grid here, and then 6 advanced players to put yourselves into this yellow grid for me, please. Doesn't really matter if you're a beginner or advanced, just for argument's sake. Okay. No, can I have the ball? And can you grab the other one? Okay, so can I get 3 of you from the advanced group to go and put a bib on, please? And 3 people from the beginners, go and grab a bib as well. Bibs are in the bag over there, yep. Yeah, so 3 people from this group putting bibs on, 3 people from this group putting bibs on. All right, 1, 2, 3. Who's putting bibs on here?
2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. But you two did you did the same as him. And
1, 2, 3. Okay, all you're doing is keeping inside your yellow grid, and you're just keeping possession of the ball. Okay, I'll let you play, and we'll come together in a second. So bibs, you can start with the ball, staying inside the grid, keeping possession. Off you go.
It's all good. Hey, just make a game. Like a game.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll make like a game. I just want a game.
Yeah.
Where
So keeping possession.
I just want you to play it however you feel.
Yeah.
And then we'll go. That's like indirect. They can play however, no any rules.
Yeah.
I'll just tell them how to score and that's it.
Yeah.
And then I'll get them asking questions, how was it, blah blah blah. And I'll play the same game.
Just play their own rules.
And get them to make all the rules.
Yeah.
That's kind of athlete centered about what they want to do.
That's direct or indirect?
Oh yeah, that's direct. And then indirect is telling them nothing, right?
Yeah.
Freeze there. Advanced group, you can only have 3 seconds on the ball now. Beginners, stay as you are. Off you go.
Games that it's like if I play this game in this like quarter, and I do put like a cone here and a cone there, and then that's how you have to score. Like you need to play.
If you drop the ball, it's the other team's ball.
Oh, the cane. Line ball or cane ball.
Okay, cool. I'll say, can you run anywhere?
Yeah, you can run. Or like you can make them not run.
Maybe I'll make a run. just have to put the ball, to score you need to put the ball on there, and then this is the outline.
That's
Line
it.
and that's all.
Make up the rules.
And
Yeah,
then make up the
well
rules,
done.
put some constraints in there, ask them some questions. I don't want to get too long there.
Keep going.
Like, you've got to get meat or something. It's kind of tomato. Just talk shit. Man, awesome, bro.
Just do it for 10 minutes, bro. Straight up.
Yeah, I'll be like, oh,
Well done, Nick. Good defending.
Because my one was 13 minutes.
All right, 20 more seconds.
Put a time constraint.
yeah, I might.
Well done, Subi. All right, 10 seconds.
This is a bloody good kid.
3, 2, 1, and bring it in for a sec. Board of me, please. Thank you. And board of me, please. Thank you. Okay, so beginners, do you think you'd feel competent enough to join in with the advanced group?
Those three, we never got the ball.
All right, so we're going to see what it's like on a bigger game. So, same thing, except there will be a target, which will be a point. So, in order to score a goal, this is what we're going to be doing. So, say, for example, Nick and I are in the same team. We're passing, and to score a goal, you must receive it over the line. You cannot be already standing over the line waiting for it. You must receive it over the line. Any questions? No? So I'm going to get the bibs team over here to join up with the non-bibs over here. So we'll keep it bibs. Yeah, keep it bibs and then non-bibs. So bibs starting over here, non-bibs starting over there. We're going to use the white square this time. We'll make it a little bit bigger. Can everyone see the white square? Yeah. All right, on my whistle. No, we're playing with one. Yeah, well done. No, you're already over the line. You must receive it over the line. Not already be. Yeah, like. I like it. I like it, well done.
So what's the deal then? Yeah, but he's one last
Yeah, well done, Naomi.
Yeah, how should I do it? Yeah, I'll just have like another cone.
Or make them hit the cone.
But how close can I get? I won't say, I won't. Maybe we can direct that and put in like a duck.
Okay, yeah.
Well done, Dan.
What do you call that game? Castles. Castles. Yeah, castles. Gotta hit the castles. Castles. Just play in this area. You gotta hit the cone with the ball. I want you to play it just how you feel. For like 2 to 3 minutes, just go play it.
Was there bands?
Yeah, I'll need
Or tell them to use the bibs. If there's enough bibs, tell everyone has to wear a bib. What about, that means they can't run.
Oh, nice.
That means they're like, so like, you can run with the ball. Or like, anyone's Ronald.
tags on the like kind of like that.
Yeah, sort of like tag. Even if you don't have the ball, people can rip you off, and then that means you have to go to the side.
Well, you can't run.
Yeah, you just go off.
With that, I
I don't know if you can incorporate
You must
But yeah,
make
just stick
5
with the normal.
passes between your team before you can score. 5 passes. Keep going. No, it doesn't matter, just 5 passes. Oh.
Nice. I got you on camera.
Well done, Loretta. That's 2. That's 3. 4. 5.
Green team. Nice.
Yeah, nice. Well done.
Nice, Loretta. Put your hand up, Loretta. Put your hand up. Put your hand up.
Alright, you can only hold it for 3 seconds. 3-second rule. No longer than,
Steroids. He's on steroids.
no longer than 3 seconds.
Let's go to England.
Stay on.
Steve, go back, Sylvie.
Take it there, well done. Nothing. I don't know why she stopped. Alright, bring it in, bring it in. Okay, we're going to get back into it soon, but first of all, I'm going to get the green team to come up with one attacking strategy and the non-bibs to come up with a defensive strategy. So group up, think of a strategy. I'll give you 1 minute.
What song is yours?
Sorry.
The fight. Yeah, like people running all together. You get one pen in the front.
That sounds great.
So you don't follow, push it on the way.
So what have we got?
Like a triangle. Zigzag and triangle.
Zigzag, and what do you mean by zigzag and triangle?
So using the whole court.
Yeah. So when you say triangles,
Is
do
it
you
bruised
mean
or
angles?
Kind of like a triangle attack.
So setting up a passing triangle.
So we got 2.
Yeah.
Sophisticated?
It was just like a real short.
You on this side, the end, and that side.
Like we're extended it.
Okay.
One in the middle. So things are just crazy.
Yeah.
That would have been annoying.
Ah.
It
Yeah.
was fine. Like, I finished the rest of the round, and then started the next round. Like, still
Non-bibs, what have we
it was a little
got?
bit sore, but then I went to try to push back and like
Sorry?
enough to push it out. And as soon as I
Okay,
pushed
yeah.
it out,
Can you explain that
Oh,
further?
you felt
straight, I
it.
was like, oh shit, that's not right.
Yeah.
You play 2 in the back.
So you would have
2
felt
like this,
today.
2 in the front.
Fuck.
Yeah.
So kind of make a little semicircle like that, and then
Stuff those injuries.
Right, okay, cool, love it. Alright, are we ready? Bibs, you can start with the ball.
Yeah, real badly timed. It's just
Yeah.
my weight was on that.
Alright,
So you just must
play.
have
Just as I was stepping down,
Yeah.
it just happened to be as I was throwing.
just depending.
No, just, you're still,
Yeah.
you're just thinking about those strategies, so try and work with those strategies when you're on
Miss
attack
Kiwi.
or defense.
Unlucky. Good communication.
Yeah, I heard you.
I think we can award that one.
team's pretty mean. Nice. Commitment. Let's get that on camera. Got that on camera.
What a run!
You're almost retired.
Frisbee.
Last
Did like grabbed it and forward rolled. It looked awesome. I want to see the video. It was probably the first week. Because we had to play like left-handed.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That was insane. Yeah. Whose game was it?
Next go,
Was it
Win!
Rory's? Oh, he did rugby, didn't he?
Yeah, he did right. Oh, no, it wasn't like a really assessment one. It was just a...
Yeah, well done. Bring it in and water me, please.
Oh, man. Great time.
All right, how did you guys feel about that game?
That's not Henry.
Good? Why was it good? Why was it good? Did you find it challenging, or do you think it was quite easy?
Doing it this way.
Yeah.
Challenging?
Side report was like appropriate for really like trying to find
Yeah.
space.
So is that what you were saying?
To be fair, we did.
Yeah. So why do you think it was hard to find space? Okay, so Bib's team, can you tell everyone what your strategy was?
That is definitely.
And zigzags.
Yeah.
So we got two people on either side of the court, which is track up and down, and you got one person in the middle, and it connects the pass. So we got one person in the middle that receives the pass to score points.
Was it effective?
What's
Right.
There you go.
And non-Bibs, can you share with everyone
Yeah.
what your strategy was?
On sport and
So defense, and can you explain it further for people who don't know what that is?
we don't have
Anyone?
we don't have one or two. We've just
We kind of had like
our assignments are like do it after
Yeah.
400 hours. So if you do your assignments, like, if you do all your hours early on, you can start on the assignments whenever.
I think
So you have to start after your 400 hours.
First some of
Yeah.
them, yeah.
Cool.
But like,
So overall, what would you do differently next time if you were to play this again?
130 maybe?
I finished 400
Yeah, in terms of your
hours
strategy.
before, I'd started my second semester. I worked through the summer break.
Okay. Yeah.
So I was there, I was with
I
them.
definitely think the zone kind of started working
It
for
was
us.
so much easier doing it that way.
Because we kind of knew a little bit where each of our players
Glad I
were
did
at.
second.
Yeah. And who
Made
can
it a lot
remember
easier.
finally the three points that I mentioned earlier? So about possession. Does anyone remember what they were?
Failed the reference.
So yeah, movement on and off
Yeah,
the ball.
that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, and then it was moving into
Yep.
space, and
I
also
think
someone
we
mentioned
should do
accurate passing as well.
sections.
So without accurate passing, we can't really keep possession of the ball.
Like, really try.
All right, cool. Thanks, guys.